Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about his trading framework, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
The market is 50-50 on any given day. It's really a coin flip. There's a slight bias to the upside, and particularly when we have regimes like right now and we're reaching for all-time highs, it seems like we're doing more up days than down days. But if you were to take the full complement of the entire trend that got us here and count the days, you'd still realize it's about a 50-50 shot whether we end up or down on any given day. It's just that those days that define the trend tend to be much bigger than the days that go counter trend. But I guess the things to recognize in this, I'm always following the same process. I'm looking for risk-adjusted trades based on the VIX. The VIX will tell me what the rate of premium decay is, how much premium is available to me, what is the gamma risk or sensitivity to price, and then I place them out of the money in a position that will put the majority of my trade near what's called convexity. That means that I'm going to get a darn good price for the opportunity. And then my position size itself is calculated based on my total account size, so that even in the worst streak of bad trades, I'm still safe. So I could lose 10 in a row and still not be below 5% drawdown. Now, I'm not going to just keep on leaning into my position size when I'm losing 10 in a row. I will mitigate that bad streak by starting to trade smaller and smaller because I don't want to draw down. Drawing down is the number one defeat of your long-term ability to compound. So that's what we're all about. Manage that downside. The risk management is super important, but it's built into every single one of our trades. Every one of our trades are already priced at a much smaller percent than you could probably ever imagine. And we have the opportunity or the potential for every trade of being a very large return. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to hit it every time. In fact, we hit it not very often at all. So this is just stepping through each trade and exactly what happened on all the trades. So I don't know. We could go through all of this. That'd be great. But the end result is that after a week of making mistakes, I still made about $2,300. That's the final arbiter of everything. So the key here is that the framework is the edge, playing market realities, playing extreme asymmetry, positioning in convex setups with convex setups, understanding premium decay to a degree that most traders have no idea how premium actually works or how volatility affects it, and then choosing the appropriate strategy, which are mostly based around the same base strategy, which is a butterfly, but choosing the appropriate width, where it's going to be placed, how we're going to trade it, when we're going to trade it, and then how we're going to manage it. All of those give us the framework. In order to execute it, we need to have consistency in how we actually do it. We can't just change our mind midstream and try something different, or get frustrated because we had 3 or 4 losses in a row and recognize that's part of the game. And once you become desensitized to all of that, and realize that your long-term viability is going to be following that strategy, following your routine, and then continuously getting better.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.